How are you? I hope that you're well and keeping safe wherever you are. My name is Rachel Pretty, or you can call me Miss Rachel. I am an early childhood educator, a songwriter, and a gospel artist. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you have not done so, kindly, I am requesting you to do so. Then put on your notification bell on so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. I am delighted to introduce to you Stretch Your Wings with Rachel Pretty. In this channel, we are not limited in how far we can stretch our wings. We will learn, we will discover, we will be enlightened, we will be uplifted, we will be blessed. And in our first segment, we will be looking at simple ways that you can teach or guide your child through different areas of learning. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to say our sounds. Remember, for you to be able to guide your child or teach your child in any language activity, it is very important that you're able to read the sounds properly so that you can guide your child with ease. And this is how we read the sounds. Remember that sounds can be taught in a different order, but in this case, I am going to use A, B, K, up to Z order. I'm going to start A, 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 B, B, B. We have K, K, K. Then D. I hope it can be seen. D, D. Then A, A, A. We have F, F, F. We have G, G, G. We have H, H, H. We have E, E, E. We have J, J, J. Then K, K, K. Remember we have K for kite and K for cat. Then L, L, L. We have M, M, M. N, N, N. Have O, O, O. P, P, P. We have Qu, Qu, Qu. We have R, R, R. Then we have S, S, S. T, T, T. Have A, A. Remember we have A for apple and A for umbrella. We have V, V. W, W, W. We have X, X, X. Then Y, Y, Y. Then Z, Z, Z. For every sound that we have read right now, remember there is always a picture or an object that you can relate with. Some of these things you can find them in your home. You can print them in form of pictures. And we are going to start. This is A, A, A. A can be for axe or ant or apple. And in this case, I have an apple. A for apple. We go to the next sound. B, B. B can be for bucket or bag or ball or basket. And in this case, I have a ball. B for ball or B for bucket or B for brush. I have a brush. We go to the next sound. K, k, k can be either for cup or k for cat, and many other pictures. In this case, I have an object. This is a cup. K for cup. We go to D. 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 D can be for doll or dog or duck. In this case, I have a dog. D for dog or D for duck. It is okay even if you have an object. It really makes sense to the children. E can be either for egg, E for elephant, and in this case I have an egg. E for egg. I have another sound here that we have already read. Can be for flower. I'm trying to focus. Flower. Or for fish. In this case, I have a flower. For flower. We have G. G. Sound G. G can be G for girl or G for goat or G for grapes. Go to the next sound. Sound. Sound can be for hat, a house, or a hat. There is hat for the house for children to understand, and hat, the one that you wear, like this one. For hat. There is E. E. E can be ink or igloo. We have the other sound. J. 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 J for jet or J for jam or J for jug. We have K sound K for key or K for kite. We have sound L. Sound L can be for leaf or log or leg. We have sound for mat or for mango, and I have a mat. For mat. Go to the next sound. Sound N. Sound N can be for nose, N for nose or nest, or a net. Go to the next sound. O. Sound O can be for octopus. Can be seen clearly. Yeah, octopus, octopus or orange. And in this case, I have an orange. I know every child likes to eat oranges, so O is for orange. Then P. Sound P for parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. Parrot, pencil, or a pot. If you have an object, you can show it as well. Quack, quack, quack for queen. Quack for queen. Sound R can be for rat or R for red or R for rabbit. Sorry, this is rabbit and this is rat or red. have S sound, S for star or sun. We have sound T for tap or tree. We have sound A for umbrella. Remember we said there is A for apple and A for umbrella. And we have V. V can be for vase, a van or violin. And in this case, I have a vase. Sound W. Sound W. W for watch. I know your daddy or mommy got a watch. Or you, even you have a watch. 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 Or web. And what is a web? It is the house of a spider. We have sound X. X. X for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument. Then we have Y. Y. Y for yellow or yam. In this case, I have a yellow cap. Then finally, we have sound Z. Sound Z can be for zip or zebra. Thank you so much for your patience. That way, your child will be able to find it interesting to be taught by you, especially when you relate sounds to their object. And it's not just memorizing. This will help them learn more pictures, as there are more activities. As you get to know the sounds, there are more activities that the child will be required to do. And one of them includes picture reading, naming pictures, writing the first sounds, the first sound, filling in the missing sound, and so forth. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video as we get to learn more. Thank you so much. Bye bye.